Another use case for Nano Banana Pro is to see what you or someone else would look like with a different hairstyle. So maybe you have really long hair and you're considering getting it cut short, or you're just trying a different style, or whatever it is. You want to see what your partner would look like with crazy hair. Whatever it is, you can use Nano Banana Pro to start with an image and then prompt it to give what that person would look like with different hairstyles. So let's set this up. This is the Gemini app. So you're just going to go to gemini.google.com to get here, and then you're going to choose your model. Right now, this is Thinking with 3 Pro, so it's Gemini 3 Pro. Make sure that's selected, and then go to Tools and Create Images. And this setup will basically trigger Nano Banana Pro in the background, and then you're going to put in your prompt here. I already did this, so I don't have to put in a prompt, but just know this is how you would set it up, and then you would prompt from here. So what I have here is this image, and this is just a stock photo, but this is longer hair, and my prompt I have is to show the subject in 6 separate images. In each one, give her a different hairstyle. Keep everything else in the image the same or consistent. And the or consistent is sometimes if it changes the image, it needs to change some aspect of, I don't know, their face, the shirt, something else, just to stay consistent so it doesn't look weird. So sometimes I found that just adding that helps. But I kept this general on purpose, but you don't have to. If you have really specific hairstyles in mind that it's just like, I want to know what I look like with this style, you can put in a similar prompt where it's like, show the subject with whatever number, 6 different hairstyles, and do this one and this one and this one and this one, etc. So I just kept it general. And then this is what I got back. Now, again, I think that's pretty good. It's just like they kept the consistency with the character I think it's really good. It's just like her face looks very similar, like that is very clearly the same person. And then, again, I didn't specify what kind of hairstyle, so it's like, okay, here you could do this, could do that. It makes sense that with, I'm guessing that's a French braid, like with the braid that it shows the back, because if it was the front-facing view, you couldn't really see any of this, so that makes sense. And that's up, and this is shorter, and this is shorter. It's like, okay, these are really good. So it's a good, interesting use case if you want to see different hairstyles before you take the plunge and do it, or again, if you want to see what someone else would look like with some kind of crazy hairstyle. Nano Banana Pro, it can do it really well. Try it out, see what you think. See you next time.